All right, all of my resin is set up nice and hard, and it's very shiny and solid. So I got my cover in here, covering everything up. Get her done. So yeah, black does look good, don't it? So after a whole lot of deliberation, and I mean a whole lot of deliberation, months literally, I finally made my decision on this. So I'm going to leave this part black just like it is. I really like that black. And the sides over here between the B-pillar, this is where the fur is going to be, is over here on the sides. It'll help hide this different shape over here, and it'll still allow that fur, because this is where most of the wind comes around in the vehicle, is right over here on the sides. I mean, a lot of wind comes around from these sides, mainly because of the subwoofer behind the seat. So that fur is going to show a lot of wind right over here on the side panels on both sides. I think that's what we're going to do. Well, got the old strips down, the old LED strips down, and everything is ready to rock and roll. Now we're just waiting on Chris to show up, and we're going to put some subs in, and then tomorrow, the next day, I'm going to work on my fur. It'll look good. And I'm going to bust out the grill, put some chicken on here, and we're going to do it right, because I always feed my help.
Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Bass rides rolling in, crowd goes off. Big subwoofers trying to blow the top off. Chrome wheels rolling in the paint, looks good. Cars from out of state, some from the hood. Drop like thunder, gonna make the ground shake. Hits like a hammer, it's a bass earthquake. SPL judges all chilling in the lanes. Big demos drop, make the crowd insane. Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Drop, 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 drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop.
And this is my subwoofer installer, aka the Pole Man, aka the Iron Maiden, aka Chris.
Everybody drop, body girl, body drop. People see the woofers, amps and wires. You see the matching colors, big amplifiers. You don't see the months of working through the night. Sweat, blood and tears trying to make it just right. The folks put a lot of making these cars. Many, many hours of maxing out cars. So when you meet us out there in the lot, know we're proud of the system we got. Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Drop, 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 drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop. Gonna get loud, gonna get loud. Everybody drop, everybody get loud. Everybody get loud. Hands in the air, let the bass ignite. Whole block shaking, wolves hitting just right. Turn it up louder, feel it in your chest. This the part that we love the best. Crowd get wild, let the woofers pound. We ain't stopped until we shake the ground. Build it up higher, don't let it stop. Drop coming heavy, cause the bass don't stop. Everybody drop, body drop, body drop. Drop, 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 body drop. The bass won't stop, everybody drop. Gonna get loud, gonna get loud. Everybody drop, everybody get loud. Everybody get loud.
All right, tap it again.
This one over here is starting to move.
Starting to move with it. Hell yeah, dude.
Son of a bitch.
You know, we've been trying to sell Tommy. I think we need to sell you. I bet you I could sell you on YouTube pretty quick. There's a lot of old ass bass heads like me that need somebody young to load subs.
You want a popsicle?
Oh, popsicle? Come on in here and get a popsicle.
Yeah.
Want to smell my toe? Oh. Why don't you take off your clothes and just get comfortable?
It's okay, Christopher.
I think I do that okay guy pretty good.
Cooking chicken.
I'm cooking chicken.
You like watermelon?
You like watermelon?
We got chicken fried watermelon.
Chicken fried watermelon. So y'all, if you ain't figured it out yet, Chris ain't exactly white. We were talking about this earlier, trying to figure it out.
You mean black?
Yeah, he ain't exactly black either. He's he's a very distinct combination of all of the races that make up the United States. It's like
Minus the mustard.
minus the mustard. Ain't got no mustard.
You got all the ketchup though.
All the ketchup. Hell yeah, bro. That's a big ass magnet.
Yeah, fucking heavy.
It's working on your leg, is it?
My right foot's going numb.
Oh, you don't need that one anyway.
Nah.
That's an optional foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. They just claim that's important.
Good part is, these are gonna be on the top, so I don't have to stress out about them too much.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have to have this.
The other ones are connected, I guess, huh? Hopefully. The other sub.
You're about to find out.
Because this will be a good time to know, because you can actually look up in there and see.
You're gonna hold this while I look up in there?
There's no way I can hold it. And I can't get my fat ass in there to look.
Alright, you're gonna.
Hey, wait a minute, I got an idea. All right, so y'all, the YouTube audience, y'all are gonna look, all right, and tell us if the wires are still connected. I can't see. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I got it.
You got a board in the way.
Oh yeah.
I see. I can reach up in there and get behind there.
You just kind of hold it around in there in different angles. All right, that's good. Well, I'll get it. I got to do one screw every time, or I ain't got it. You know how that works. The man thing.
I'm on metal. So we're gonna have to hit an angle on this one.
Got to angle the dangle.
Yeah. Get it now.
Oh yeah, dude. Slapping. Is that all of them?
Nope.
I didn't
Moving
think
that
so.
seat up so I can lean down.
Oh, I thought there was another
There's more.
a couple of screws there.
There's more than a couple.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So the amps are turned up really hot. I'm gonna have to turn them suckers down a lot and get them. Right now they're balanced. You know, they're together, but they're both really high. I got to bring them both down because they're going into clipping real hard, and we got to fix that. But that bad boy slams. I gotta run a sweep tomorrow and find out where the new peak is, because I lengthened the port a little bit, and that's going to change the peak. Figure out where the peak is and all that stuff. Whole lot of tuning to do now. Whole lot of tuning. In case y'all were wondering, this stuff here comes from Firehouse Subs. See it there on the bottom, and it's called Captain Sorensen's something pepper hot sauce. It's great barbecue and stuff, man. I love it. It's like $8 a bottle, but man, that stuff's good. Good stuff. We got the fire turned down a little bit. We're just letting the sauce cook in and letting the insides get nice and done. I'm gonna check them, see where we at. We're getting close. Cut into this one. That looks good right there. Cut into this one too. Cut that piece. That looks good right there. I think we're golden. We're Gucci. Need to get his butt on back here so we can get down. I don't want to cook it any longer though. He had to go turn off, had to go do something. He said he'd be back here in a minute. We all set now. Yeah, baby. You know how we do it. We don't mess around. That's how we do it. It's CAE's house.